and fly. I pick to the beat, walking down the street and I do it free. Yeah, this is how I roll.
Using ko ba tayo?
That's right, move with the big ass phone. They like,
It's your thing sa
Good morning and welcome to Outdoor Away! Your digital of maritime entertainment.
Bye-bye.
So for today, we have an SCM scholar. His name is Mr. Hener Miralles. And for the MC here is Mr. Tristan Reyes.
Puerto Rico, I'm also a scholar of my mother.
Okay, so let's take So welcome to Outdoor Away. How are you today?
We're doing fine today, Roger.
How was you, Mr. Tristan?
I'm also fine. Thank you.
Okay, so first and foremost, the audience and personally me would want to know why did you take your courses, MT and marketing?
Whom would you want to give the first answer?
Mr. Jason, answer first. Why did you take MT?
First, it's because of the job availability. It's easier to find a job because our school is sponsored by PTC.
Oh, so BTC is running your college, okay? How about you, Mr. Miranda?
As for me, I took BS Marine Engineering because I want to travel around various countries while I'm working, and at the same time, there are a lot of Boys Town students here. That's why I take this scholarship rather than UP, DOST, and other scholarship being offered to me.
So you passed all of them, all of the other entrance?
Yes, I passed UPCAT. I'm a scholar of De La Salle and DOST.
But you choose here to study at MCL.
Yes, definitely.
Wow. Okay. So, in your studies nowadays, what course do you find the most difficult? Okay, Mr. Morales.
For me, I think the most difficult is NE 101. That's Material Science and Engineering. That's during last term because I only got 2.00 and definitely that's my lowest degree.
Wow!
Oh my God.
2.00 guys. See, so, how about you,
Of course, for me, it's mathematics. Because of our program is navigation, it's always paired with mathematics, and it's hard.
Oh, and
The lowest grade I had was 3.00. Not 12.
I've heard with that you're taking up spherical trigonometry. Is that really hard?
As of now, it's hard. And the lessons are getting harder because we're now reaching the final week of Sky.
So for Mr. Jason, mathematics and ME. So what are you looking forward to in your program?
Of course, on our third year, when we achieve all the requirements, we will have our shipboard training when we reach our third year. So that's what we are looking forward. We are looking forward the hands-on experience that the school offers us.
So you will go on board?
Yes, achieve.
Okay, how about Mr. Morales?
That's what I'm looking forward to this because this year I'm going to have my shipboard training and
Shipboard training.
I can if I can finish all the papers.
Okay, so shipbuilding, that's very interesting. So the voyages are international, right?
Yes,
Yes, yes.
wait, if I failed my subjects, it will be on a fishing lesson only. Yes. But if I pass, of course, it will be international. Thank you.
So for now, in your studies, that's your goal, right?
Yes, to sail on a ship, a big ship.
So both of you, do you are in your years after graduating, do you look forward in really being a captain and a chief engineer?
Of course.
Of course, that's our goal is to be the best. That's why we studied here. It offers the best.
Yes, all things are. So as you can see on the audience, we have MPs and Marties also. So could you give them a message to them? Can you give a message to them, Mr. Reales first?
For those Mari students here,
Marty.
Mari students,
Marty.
just a few of us, just get the job well done, and you finish it all. That's all.
Okay, how about you, Mr. Vincent? What can you say?
To my friends, Marine Transportation. My advice to you, study well. Respect your teachers. Good luck on your studies. That's all. Thank you.
So thank you so much.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much for being here. And when we come back, place your bets for the ultimate face-off, MP versus Marty is coming up next.